So this is Ibrahim Traore. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama, iBurkina Faso had a problem, and this man was the only solution. Once upon a time, we had a small boy, sizombiza ngo-Abraham. U-Abraham had a problem. Ukhulele eBurkina Faso kwi-village ebizwa ngeBondoku. And at the time, it was very dangerous for yena nama-family members akhe. Akagcinanga ngokuthi yena acule athi phambili nge-war. He actually lived it. From a very young age, u-Abraham knew ukuthi i-war yayikanjani. U-Abraham on a daily basis wayelahlekelwa abantu aba-close to yena, abantu abathandayo. U-Abraham on a daily basis babemuva from place to place ngenxa yokuthi babalekela amasosha. And so u-Abraham knew ukuthi what i-war is like. U-Abraham knew the scars of impi at a very young age. U-Abraham was very smart esikoleni, wafunda kwisikole esasiseduze nala ehlala khona eBobo Dioulasso, the second largest city eBurkina Faso. And in 2006, u-Abraham graduated from a high school and went to go study a university. From the time ejoyina i-university u-Abraham, he was very academically gifted. Kodwa futhi u-Abraham knew i-background yakhe ukuthi ukhule under i-poverty, and so he used le opportunity yakhe ayitholile ukuthi aye e-university ukuthi akwazi ukuthi give back to the community. U-Abraham joined i-National Association of Muslim Students, wadelegate ama-meetings between isikole nama-students enza sure ukuthi ama-rights awama-students ayanakwa. U-Abraham also developed uthando for isoccer at the time esase-university. Little did he know Abraham ukuthi i-career yakhe is just beginning. U-Abraham joined the military or i-Boko Army ngo-2009. And after that, he graduated from George Namona Military Academy and received anti-aircraft training le Morocco. He was one of the selected few ukuthi receive leyo training. After that, he was dispatched ukuthi ayosebenza ekhaya, not